Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce, Computer Applications. In this video, I am going to explain about interest on capital. So, as per the business entity concepts, capital is invested by the proprietors in the business. It considers to be a loan given by him to the business. So, whenever they close the business, if they don't want to continue the business, so it is the right of the owner to take away the invested capital. So for this, every year they will get an interest. So there will be interest charged or allowed on capital. So interest on capital is a expenses for the business, but it is the income for the proprietors. Here, why we are considering this? But generally, the interest paid to the outsiders, banks, and other financial institutions will be called as expenses. The same way, in interest on capital in the business, in the partnership, it is also an expenses, but for the proprietors it is an income because they are receiving the income from the firm. So this is one of the basic the difference between interest on capital and interest to the others, like in financial institutions, other public, those who are invested their capital in our business. So for this, we'll get a journal entry like interest on capital account data to capital account. So interest on capital, let us see the meaning. The interest on capital is the interest provided to the owners for providing the firms with the request or capital established in a business. So it is identical to the receiving a loan from any financial institutions. So instead of receiving the loan from the financial institutions, the owners, the proprietors themselves, they are investing their amount of uh, amount into the business. So this is one of the one of the safe, and they will get interest until the business is going to wind up. So this concept is differs from the many other concept. The partnerships are the paid interest on the interest on capital. So till now here we can get a doubt till how long they will. It is all depends upon the terms and conditions which are mentioned in the partnership deal. So interest on capital allowed to the partners on the capital amount invested by them into the firm. Such interest is not paid in cash. So what instead of that, the partner's capital account is credited by the same amount. The interest on capital is paid by the firm on its, therefore the expense, like firm that detects the profits. However, this interest on capital is not charged against the profit directly rather than the new account, the profit and loss account. So interest on capital allowed at a fixed rate. So it is we can have a doubt like how the interest on capital will be calculated, how it is allotted to the partners. So interest on capital is allowed at the fixed rate agreed by all the partners and maintained in the partnership deed. This also means that in the absence of the deed, no partner is liable to receive such interest on capital. So further, under the concept of the the interest on capital is paid only when the firm makes a profit. That is also one of the conditions. So because the capital is invested by the partners, so they know whether they are making a profit or loss. So in case of the insufficient profit, so that is the amount of interest on capital is more than the amount of net profit earned, then interest on capital is allowed maximum up to the amount of the net profit. in the ratio of the interest on capital of the each partners. So we now we can understand so what is interest on capital. So thank you for providing this opportunity.